Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this week's CVS deal. I would like to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, and if you don't celebrate Christmas, I also want to wish you a happy Sunday or whatever day you're watching this video. I hope everybody is having a good one. I will not be doing any CVS haul today being Sunday, but I might go back to CVS tomorrow, and if I do, I'll be posting a video. I'm only doing this video that way I don't keep you all hanging, because I normally post my videos on Sundays in case you're still doing your haul today. So hopefully this video will be able to help you all. Let me see what deals I can find and I'll show you guys how to do it if you're doing yours today. The first deal I'll talk about will be on the Softsoap hand soap. It's on sale for 3 for $9, and when you buy 3 you get $3 back. Go to softsoap.com. Put in your email and your zip code and you can be able to print out some coupons. They have 50-cent coupon on each one of them. Use 3 of those, and if you have the $3 email CRT for personal cleansing products, you can use that as well. You end up paying $4.50 and you get $3 back, making all 3 items $1.50 or 50 cents each. Next deal will be on Physician Formula. It's on the deal of buy 2, you get $10 back. What I'll be doing is picking up 2 of the eye makeup remover, priced at $6.79. Both of them will come up to $13.58. There is no coupon for this, but if you have the 3 off of 10 cosmetic CRT, you use that. It will bring it down to $10.58. You pay that and you get $10 back, making both items 58 cents or 29 cents each. If you also have the 32% off, you can use that as well. That will bring it down to $7.19. You pay that cash because you're using a percentage of coupon and you get your $10 back, making both items free and a $2.81 money maker. The next deal will be on some Crest toothpaste, or you can also pick up Burt's Bees. But my deal will be on the Burt's Bees. It will be on sale for $4.99, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back, and this is also a limit of 2. So pick up 4 of the Burt's Bees. That will bring it up to $19.96. Everybody's supposed to receive a 6 off of 4 digital coupon today, and we also have a $2 in our app. In case you have used yours, you can also go to December PNG if your store accepts expired coupon up to 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Use 2 of those, it will double dip. And I have a 3 off of 18 CRT that will also apply to this. With the coupons and the CRT, it will bring it down to $6.96. I will pay that and I'll get back $6 because I did this deal twice. It will end up being just 96 cents for 4 toothpaste or 24 cents each. I'll also be leaving a Google Doc in case you want to see how everything worked out. Next deal will be on the P&G product. It's on spend 30 get $10 back. The first item I'll pick up will be the Tide detergent, priced at $12.99, and we have a $3 digital coupon that will apply to it. And you can also print one from their website, a $3 paper coupon, but make sure you're printing it the day you'll be using it because it expires within 24 hours. The next item to add to this will be the Bounce, priced at $5.49, and there is a $1 digital coupon that will also apply to this. These are all the items you need for your spend 30 get $10 back if you're doing it this way. Using the 2 $3 paper coupon will take off $6. One is digital and one is paper. And for the Bounce, it will take off $1, that's $7. If you have a 5 off of 30, it will apply to it. You will end up paying $19.47 and you get $10 back, making all 3 items $9.47 or $3.16 each. The next deal will be on the Eucerin facial care. The deal with this one is spend 20, you get $10 back. I'll pick up 2 of the hydrating cleansing gel, priced at $10.99. Both of them will come up to $21.98. I have a $2 coupon I got from my doctor's place. I'll use 2 of them. And if you have the percentage of coupon, you can use it with this deal as well, because it is not on sale. And make sure you're paying with cash, because any coupon and extra care box will affect the total. It will bring it down to $12.23. I'll pay that cash and I'll get $10 back, making both items $2.23 or $1.12 each.